Welcome back to PaulandBenny. I'm Paul, and today we're recipe testing a peach grilled cheese. It is peach season. I came across this idea at tastingtable.com, which suggested I pair canned peaches with white cheddar cheese and sourdough bread, which I just happen to have today. I don't have any slices of white cheddar cheese, but I do have this block that I really love. And you already know that I prefer to grate my own anyway. First, because this cheese flavor is going to be stronger and fresher, and it's going to melt beautifully on the sandwich. All those little shreds are going to, create a really nice cheese pull. And I decided, since it's peach season, I'm not using canned peaches. I mean, they're literally at the peak of ripeness right now. So I got me a fresh, nice, beautiful organic peach from the store. And, my peach said, "Do you want to bet?" It wasn't cooperating. I literally couldn't get the seed out of it. And as I'm cutting it and squeezing it and trying to pry it open, I realized there's no juice coming out of this thing. And when I rolled it to the side to try and slice some wedges, I could hear it. It sounded so crunchy. I knew it wasn't going to be very good. But I thought, let me try, just get some little wedges here. And maybe it looks pretty, but yeah, they were crunchy and no juice and wah wah. But look what I found in the pantry. So I'm going full steam ahead with this recipe. On track to get the sandwich made. I pour the peaches into a bowl, and what the heck? There's half a peach pit in the bowl of peaches. Lord, do you not want me to have a peach sandwich? But I tasted them and they were fine. I was just being dramatic. It kind of weirded me out. I decided I'm only making half a sandwich because if I don't like it, I don't want to waste my good bread and my good cheese. And a can of peaches, I can, just eat them by themselves. But good bread and cheese, I'm not wasting. So I coated my bread with plenty of butter before putting it on the warm skillet. I added a little bit more cheese than I thought I would need. I guess I thought in case I didn't like the peach with it, that would sort of overpower it. And I put a little cheese on both sides to help the peaches stay in there because I don't want them sliding out. And I sliced my peaches thinly. I think I got 2 slices out of every one, and I patted them dry like the website said because I wouldn't want to have a big wet piece of peach and melt a nice warm toasty cheese sandwich. I don't know why I was so apprehensive about this combination. It just sounded weird. But when I saw the toasty, buttery bread, I was like, okay, it's not going to taste that bad. Grilled cheese bread is good by itself. And then I saw the cheese melting in there. I was like, this is going to be nice. It's time. I'm going to see what the sandwich is about. If you like trying new recipes, would you hit the like button and subscribe so you see what recipes we're going to try next? I don't have words to say. I'm very surprised. That's really good. Now, let me preface it by saying some really good bread from the farmer's market with a lot of butter and some really great white cheddar cheese. That would be great all by itself. But the canned peaches, just a hint of sweet and tart. I would do that again. I was afraid the wetness was going to be weird. I thought you wouldn't be able to taste the peach at all. I was wrong, and I was wrong. This is good. Go make yourself a sandwich. As always, I'm Paul. I'm grateful to try new things and learn new recipes. And we're grateful for you watching.